only having one offer almost killed my coaching business. So I decided to ignore all of the gurus that say, hey, you only need to have one offer to get to the $1 million mark. I've decided to create 3, and those 3 are purely responsible to take us from $3,000 a month to 1.83 million a year on a recurring basis. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all 3 offers. I'm going to walk you through them so you can take them, implement them in your business, and hopefully get clients way faster like we did. By the way, if you want to see an example of each offer I'm about to show you, comment down below, show me. I'll send you a screenshot of each one so you can see exactly what it looks like. No opt-in required, just comment down below, show me, and I'll send you the screenshots. Now, let me tell you why having just one offer is pretty damn stupid. At any given time within your audience, whether it's a small audience or a big audience, it really doesn't matter. Roughly around 3% of them are now buyers. In the next 30, 60, or 90 days, they will purchase a solution to their problem, either from you or one of your competitors. It really doesn't matter to them. They're going to purchase something in the next 90 days, 30, 60, or 90 days. The other 3% of your audience will never buy anything from anybody. It has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with them. That leaves roughly about 47% of your audience who just need more time because right now it's bad timing. They just got married, they're going on holiday, maybe they lost their job, maybe they got sick, or whatever else that could potentially happen to make the timing not a good time. And of course, we got the remainder 47% who are looking for more information. They need more context. They need to get to know you, your offer, your models, the way you coach more deeply before they commit to becoming a client. They will become one of the top 3% very, very soon. Now, can you see how it could be very stupid to only have one offer that's designed for these guys, the ready to buy now type of people, and nothing for the ones that need more information from you and the ones that will become clients in the future? Kind of stupid. So let me show you the 3 offers that tackles all 3. We're going to ignore these people. There's nothing to do with them. We're just going to focus on the 3 that are your audience. So let's go. The 3 offers are, first one is called cheese offer. A cheese offer is something that you give for free, like a lead magnet, and these are designed to get you leads. Then we also have bridge offers. Bridge offers are low ticket, anywhere from $1 to like $1,000. Our sweet spot is $100. And my favorite things to give as bridge offers are either workshops or ticket to the events that we run, or just like books and quick resources or solutions to small problems. Never ever a low ticket course, okay? Please promise me, never a low ticket course. And bridge offers gets us customers. And of course, last but not least, we have what we call drop offers. And drop offers are designed to get you clients, and they're typically pretty expensive, or they go on a recurring basis, or both. Now, the reason we call it drop offers is, imagine you're at the airport and a prospect says, hey, I've been following you for a while. Can you jump on a call with me and give me some information about your program? I'd like to join. You're about to board a plane. You don't have time. So you send them a message saying, hey, dude, I'm about to jump on a plane, don't have time to jump on a call, but here's all the information you need. You drop the offer in front of them and they read it and they say, yep, I'm in, or no, I'm out. And you just get a client that way. So it's called the drop offer because it's designed to be so good that can sell itself. It doesn't need you to sell it to somebody else, like convince somebody else to buy it. It can sell itself and it can drop it in front of people, walk away knowing they're going to become a client. So having these 3 offers positions you to have something to give to the people that just need more time, something to give to the people that need more information, and something to give to the people that are ready to pull the plug and start working with you as a client and get massive results. By the way, if you want to see an example of a drop offer, a bridge offer, and a cheese offer, comment down below, show me. I'll send you screenshots of each one so you can see exactly what it looks like. I'll send them to your inbox, no opt-in required. That way you can understand them better, model them, implement them in your business, and start getting leads every day, customers every week, and clients every month. That's the goal.